Success is a journey rather than a destination, and the route you choose shapes the life you lead. It's about crafting a path that resonates with your interests and abilities rather than adhering to a set course. As Tony Robbins once stated, "The only limit to your impact is your imagination and commitment." This guide delves into the principles and lessons that enable you to overcome limitations, seize opportunities, and attain enduring success. By implementing these strategies, you can seize control of your life, navigate challenges, and transform your aspirations into reality. When I propose that individuals create their own journey utilizing their distinct resources, I frequently encounter opposition. It is often said, "That's not for everyone." Not everyone possesses the ability to be independent or to launch a business. It is perplexing that many focus exclusively on job hunting, convinced that they have no other options. Depending solely on one source of income, particularly in the current unpredictable job market, poses a significant risk. Jobs are vanishing, wages frequently fail to ensure a decent standard of living, and it's increasingly essential to consider alternatives. Did you realize that almost 40% of the global workforce is now working independently? The accessibility of entrepreneurship today is truly thrilling. Starting a business today is quicker, more affordable, and has greater scalability compared to 2 decades ago. Exclusively dedicating your efforts to others frequently results in exchanging your time for financial compensation. Your earnings are limited, just as time is finite. By changing your perspective to focus on charging for results instead of time, you open the door to limitless possibilities. Here are the 8 ultimate blueprints for success to transform your life. If you find this content valuable, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. It will help the algorithm a lot. Let's dive in. Ultimate Blueprint 1. Follow your unique journey. In the fast-paced environment of today, depending exclusively on conventional jobs poses a growing risk. The global economy is experiencing volatility, industries are undergoing transformation, and automation is persistently taking the place of traditional roles. Although some perceive this as a challenge, it also presents a significant opportunity to pursue independence and navigate your own distinct path. Almost 40% of the global workforce has adopted this change, discovering creative methods to work autonomously. Freelancing, digital entrepreneurship, and consulting represent just a handful of the opportunities open to those ready to embark on this journey. Platforms such as Upwork, Etsy, and Amazon simplify the process of transforming skills and passions into a source of income. Forging your own path involves understanding that the conventional career ladder is not the sole route available. Expanding your income streams not only mitigates risk, but also cultivates a feeling of personal achievement and financial independence. Begin by delving into a side hustle or focusing on enhancing your skills. With time, this can develop into a strong source of income that complements your lifestyle and aspirations. Finding your way demands bravery, imagination, and dedication, yet the benefits are significant. By breaking away from conventional boundaries, you unlock new opportunities and seize command of your future. Ultimate Blueprint 2. Consider the future. Success is seldom an immediate achievement. It is a long journey that demands foresight, dedication, and perseverance. Embracing a long-term perspective enables you to concentrate on enduring growth instead of pursuing temporary chances. Numerous successful companies of today started from modest origins and thrived due to their founders' commitment to a forward-thinking mindset. Consider Airbnb as a case in point. In the beginning, the company faced financial challenges, but its founders stayed committed to their vision of transforming travel and hospitality. Today it exists as a multi-billion-dollar enterprise. The same concept holds true for individual achievement. Long-term thinking requires establishing clear objectives, developing practical strategies, and maintaining discipline. It signifies the importance of patience and the readiness to commit to endeavors that might not produce instant outcomes. Regardless of whether you are acquiring a new skill, launching a business, or planning for the future, maintaining consistency and demonstrating perseverance are essential. Short-term sacrifices frequently result in significant advantages in the future. Moreover, considering the long term encourages flexibility. This allows for the anticipation of challenges and the ability to adjust strategies accordingly. By concentrating on the broader perspective, you can manage obstacles without sacrificing your progress. Keep in mind that success is not determined by the speed at which you achieve your goals, but rather by establishing a solid foundation that lasts. Those who think long-term develop resilience and are more prepared to succeed in a constantly evolving environment. Ultimate Blueprint 3. Escape the daily grind. The rat race refers to a continuous cycle of hard work with little to show for it, resulting in a sense of entrapment and dissatisfaction among individuals. Escaping this cycle necessitates a change in perspective and approach. Rather than merely getting by from one paycheck to the next, strive to cultivate opportunities that resonate with your passions and values. This transition doesn't have to involve leaving your job right away. It begins with rethinking your perspective on work and achievement. A crucial approach is to cease waiting for opportunities and begin generating them yourself. Recognize issues that require resolution and consider how your abilities can offer answers. For example, numerous entrepreneurs achieve success by transforming their hobbies into lucrative businesses. The pandemic underscored the importance of adaptability as individuals and businesses shifted to address emerging needs. Sarah Blakely, the creator of Spanx, embodies this essence. She transformed a concept into a thriving multi-million-dollar enterprise by identifying and filling a market void. Leaving the rat race also requires the creation of various income streams. Expanding your financial portfolio minimizes reliance on a single source and enhances stability. Begin with manageable steps such as freelancing, investing, or establishing passive income sources. As time progresses, these initiatives accumulate, enabling you to regain your time and concentrate on significant endeavors. Transitioning from mere survival to a focus on innovation empowers you to shape your future and create a life filled with fulfillment and freedom. Ultimate Blueprint 4. Welcome personal development and strength. Personal growth serves as the foundation for achieving lasting success. It involves venturing beyond familiar boundaries, welcoming obstacles, and dedicating oneself to continuous education. Growth is not a matter of chance. It is a deliberate journey driven by resilience and adaptability. Think about Michael Phelps, a highly accomplished Olympian with numerous accolades. His accomplishments stemmed not merely from innate ability, but from countless hours of dedicated training, steadfast discipline, and a relentless commitment to growth. To foster personal development, begin by establishing challenging but attainable objectives. Divide these goals into smaller, manageable steps and acknowledge your progress throughout the journey. Adopt a growth mindset that perceives failures as chances to learn instead of justifications for giving up. This perspective cultivates resilience, allowing you to recover more robustly following challenges. In today's fast-paced world, resilience holds significant importance. Challenges are unavoidable, yet your response to them shapes your path forward. Cultivate practices that enhance mental and emotional health, including mindfulness, journaling, and consistent physical activity. Surround yourself with uplifting people who motivate and inspire you. By focusing on personal development and strength, you equip yourself to confront life's unpredictabilities with assurance. Each challenge presents a chance to learn, adapt, and enhance oneself. As time progresses, this dedication to development reshapes both your abilities and your perspective, setting the stage for enduring achievement. Ultimate Blueprint 5. Make daily decisions for achievement. Success is shaped not by one isolated event, but by the ongoing impact of our everyday choices. Every day offers chances to select fulfillment instead of recognition, excellence rather than mediocrity, and growth in place of comfort. The decisions you make, though they may appear minor, significantly influence the path of your life and career. Striving for excellence demands a commitment to ongoing enhancement. Steve Harvey wisely noted, "Excellence is not an act, but a habit." By dedicating yourself to excellence in all your endeavors, you raise your standards and establish a reputation for dependability and honesty. In a similar vein, opting for growth frequently entails giving up immediate gratifications in favor of future rewards. This may entail dedicating time to honing a skill rather than engaging in leisure activities or prioritizing self-improvement over acquiring material goods. Achieving success requires a strong sense of focus. In a world brimming with distractions, the capacity to focus on your objectives is priceless. Focus on tasks that resonate with your vision and remove activities that deplete your energy without contributing meaningfully. As time progresses, these consistent decisions build upon one another, generating significant momentum towards your goals. Keep in mind that success is a journey, not a destination. By making deliberate choices each day, you establish the groundwork for a rewarding and successful life. Ultimate Blueprint 6. Follow your passion and vision. Passion and vision drive the journey to success. Passion fuels your energy and enthusiasm to overcome challenges, whereas vision offers the clarity and direction essential for reaching your goals. United, they form a formidable force that propels advancement and creativity. Elon Musk exemplifies this principle. His enthusiasm for technology and sustainable energy resulted in remarkable accomplishments with Tesla and SpaceX. Even in the face of considerable challenges, Musk's steadfast vision maintained his commitment to building a brighter future. Passion drives persistence, allowing you to confront challenges with resolve. Begin by recognizing what ignites your enthusiasm and drives your motivation to harness the power of passion and vision. Which activities cause you to lose all sense of time? What issues do you feel driven to address? Connecting your work with these passions brings a deep sense of fulfillment and purpose. Vision enhances passion by offering a clear path to achievement. Clearly define your goals and establish actionable steps to reach them. Consistently review your vision to maintain motivation and alignment. Keep in mind that passion and vision extend beyond individual benefits. They also focus on creating a meaningful difference in the world. When you chase your passions with focus and resolve, you motivate those around you and make a positive impact on the world. Ultimate Blueprint 7. Maintain consistency. Consistency stands as the quiet champion of achievement. Your daily actions, rather than your occasional efforts, ultimately shape your results. Serena Williams, regarded as one of the greatest athletes ever, credits her achievements to unwavering dedication. Years of dedicated training, practice, and discipline elevated her to the heights of tennis. Consistency fosters progress. Every minor action, when consistently repeated, accumulates into substantial outcomes. Dedicating an hour each day to a skill, upholding a healthy routine, or consistently producing quality work, these practices establish a solid groundwork for enduring success. To foster consistency, create routines that are in harmony with your objectives. Begin with modest steps and progressively expand your endeavors. For instance, if you aim to enhance your fitness, dedicate 15 minutes to exercise each day and gradually increase that duration as you advance. Monitor your habits and acknowledge achievements to maintain your motivation. Consistency necessitates resilience as well. There will be days when motivation dips or challenges arise, but maintaining your commitment helps you keep your goals in focus. Consistently making an effort each day, no matter how minor, paves the way for lasting achievement. Keep in mind that the path may be lengthy, yet with perseverance, each step takes you nearer to your aspirations. Ultimate Blueprint 8. Engage with mentors and experts. The individuals around you have a significant impact on your thoughts, behaviors, and achievements. Jim Rohn famously stated, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." Being around mentors and experts enhances your development by introducing you to fresh ideas, diverse perspectives, and new opportunities. Mentors offer insights and knowledge drawn from their personal journeys. They assist you in overcoming obstacles, steering clear of frequent mistakes, and making well-informed choices. Even without direct access to mentors, you can still gain valuable insights from them by exploring books, podcasts, and online courses. The insights they provide have the potential to be life-changing. Select your circle with intention. Look for people who motivate and push you to develop. Steer clear of detrimental influences that sap your energy or hinder your potential. Connecting with professionals in your area of expertise not only broadens your understanding but also paves the way for partnerships and new possibilities. Keep in mind that growth involves working together. Surrounding yourself with motivated, optimistic, and accomplished people enhances your own capabilities. These connections serve as a foundation, motivating you to pursue excellence and reach your aspirations. Building connections with mentors and experts is among the most significant actions you can pursue on your path to success.